Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you a warm-up combinations on the ice with 6 different types of turns. These exercises are great for figure skaters who want to improve edge control, quick footwork and body coordination. In these sequences, we will connect several turns into one flowing pattern to help you feel the rhythm of skating while staying balanced and centered. These combinations are perfect for your daily warm-up, and they will also help you develop better control for step sequences, transitions, and turns in your programs. Let's get started. Our first sequence will be with 3 turns and brackets. Start from the left forward outside 3 turn, then do a power pull on the axis going from the left backward inside edge to the left backward outside edge, and continue with the left backward outside bracket at the top of the second half circle. After you return to the axis, step onto the right forward inside 3 turn, then do power pull on the axis from right backward outside edge to the right backward inside edge, and continue with the right backward inside bracket. After that, do 2 cross rolls and start the sequence again from the right foot. Right forward outside 3 turn, power pull, right backward outside bracket, then left forward inside 3 turn, power pull, and left backward inside bracket. The most important thing in this exercise is controlling your shoulder movement. After you complete your forward 3 turn, continue rotating your shoulders outside of the circle, then try to hold them in that same position during the power pull so that your shoulders are facing into the circle on the second half of the sequence, preparing for the bracket. The same idea applies to the inside edge. After the 3 turn, continue rotating your shoulders outside of the circle, then keep them still while you perform the power pull to get into the correct position for the backward inside bracket. This is very important to make sure you reach the correct body position, especially for the backward outside bracket. Now we are going to do backward 3 turns combined with forward brackets. Start with a right backward outside 3 turn, then do a power pull from the right forward inside edge to the right forward outside edge. On the second half of the circle, execute a right forward outside bracket. Continue coming back to the axis and start with the left backward inside 3 turn at the top of the next circle. Follow with the power pull from the left forward outside edge to the left forward inside edge, and complete the sequence with the left forward inside bracket. After that, push twice onto backward outside edges and start the sequence again from opposite foot. Left backward outside 3 turn, power pull, left forward outside bracket, then a right backward inside 3 turn, power pull into a right forward inside bracket. Similar to the first combination. Focus on your shoulder movement. After 3 turn, continue rotating your shoulders into the circle and then execute the power pull by working mainly with your skating leg, while maintaining the shoulder position with your upper body slightly twisted outside of the circle to prepare for the bracket. The same applies to the backward inside 3 turn. Continue working with your shoulders to get into the correct position for the forward inside bracket. Also remember to work with your knees and ankles, bend them before the turn, slightly straighten at the moment of the turn, and then bend again immediately after the turn. If you are a beginner skater just taking your first steps on the ice, or an advanced skater refining your basic skills, visit my website styleskating.com and sign up for my Figure Skating Foundations video course. In this course, you will find 100 videos with step-by-step instructions, detailed tutorials, common mistakes skaters make, and how to fix them. By following the course, you will learn much faster, avoid developing bad habits, and improve your skating skills, single jumps, and basic spins. Click the link above or check the description below to sign up today. Our next exercise will consist of rockers and counters. We'll start with a left forward outside rocker, followed by a left backward outside counter. After that, do a power pull from the outside edge to the inside edge and continue with a left forward inside rocker followed by a left backward inside counter. Then perform another power pull from the inside edge to the outside edge and do a cross roll to switch your feet. Repeat the same sequence on the right foot. Right forward outside rocker, right backward outside counter. Power pull, right forward inside rocker, right backward inside counter, and power pull again. Next we'll switch and start from a counter. Begin with a left forward outside counter, followed by a left backward outside rocker. Then do a power pull from the outside edge to the inside edge and continue with a forward inside counter and backward inside rocker on the same foot. After that, perform another power pull, then a cross roll to switch to the right foot. Repeat the sequence on the right side. Right forward outside counter, right backward outside rocker, power pull to change the edge to inside, then right forward inside counter and right backward inside rocker. These exercises are great for improving edge control, footwork quickness, knee bend, ankle action, and upper body positioning. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, remember to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Also consider joining my YouTube membership where you will find more detailed tutorials. You can also reach out to me directly with questions and even request a personalized video on the element you are currently working on. Click the link above or check the description below to join. Our last two turns will be Twizzles and Loops. We'll start with the left forward outside twizzle. After 2.5 revolutions, exit on the left backward inside edge and on the axis push into a right backward inside loop. After that, step forward and do forward crossover from the left forward outside to the right forward inside edge. Then start a forward inside twizzle on the left foot. Exit backward again and do a cross roll on the axis. Next, enter a right backward outside loop. Then push under with the left foot, step forward and glide around half circle on the left forward outside edge. Then transition to the right foot with a cross roll and start the sequence on other side. Do a right forward outside twizzle, followed by a left backward inside loop, then forward crossovers from the right forward outside to the left forward inside, finish with a right forward inside twizzle into a cross roll and then a left backward outside loop. Our last combination today will be with backward twizzles and forward loops. We'll start with a right forward outside 3 turn, followed by a 2-foot glide on the axis. Then push into a right backward outside twizzle. Exit that twizzle on a forward inside edge. Glide back to the axis and start a left forward inside loop. Next, do a right forward inside to left backward inside mohawk, push into right backward inside twizzle, exiting backward this time. Then step onto the axis and enter the next circle with a left forward outside loop. After that, do a cross roll onto the right forward outside edge, followed by another cross roll to start the sequence on the opposite foot. Begin with a left forward outside 3 turn, followed by a 2-foot glide, and push into the next circle with a left backward outside twizzle. Exit on the left forward inside edge, and then complete a right forward inside loop. Transition from left forward inside to right backward inside mohawk, push into a left backward inside twizzle and finish with a right forward outside loop. I think twizzle and loop combinations are the most difficult part of today's warm-up. If you don't feel comfortable with the sequence, take the moves apart and practice them separately on your twizzles and loops first. Once you feel more confident, you can start putting them together. This exercise is excellent for developing quickness, edge control, and multi-directional skating. That's it for today's warm-up with 6 types of turns, which included 3 turns, brackets, rockers, counters, twizzles, and loops. Remember, practicing these exercises will help you improve your edge control, body coordination, quickness, and overall skating skills. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you on the ice in the next video.